Welcome to this transformative morning meditation where we'll be setting an intention to set you up for the perfect day. So begin by closing your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in, drawing in the fresh energy of the morning. And as you exhale, allow your breath to carry away anything you want to release. Now gently place your hands in your lap with your palms facing up. And imagine a warm, glowing light forming between your hands like a bubble of pure energy. This bubble holds the potential to carry your intention for the day. Ask yourself, what do I wish to create today? Let a word, feeling, or vision arise, whether it's peace, creativity, connection, or love. Tap into the feeling behind this word. And then let this intention begin to fill your light bubble with this feeling. See and feel the bubble grow brighter and more vibrant with every breath you take. As the bubble hovers just above your hands, glowing with the energy you've infused it with. Now inhale deeply, and as you exhale, release your bubble out to the universe. See it floating up and away, knowing your intention is now set in motion. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Can you identify one action you can take after this meditation that will lead you towards fulfilling this intention? Have the most beautiful day.